Hello, students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great online learning experience. For me, teaching online, it's kind of cool. I'm getting used to it. We all had to adjust to this, but I think I'm adjusting pretty well. Things aren't perfect yet, and maybe you still have some adjustments you need to go through, but working together, we'll make this done. So keep sending me emails, keep commenting, because that helps me be the best teacher I can be. I think I owe you a joke. You want to hear a joke? Okay, let me do my stand up here. Get my microphone. This reminds me of the old days. Okay, so I was at my dentist's office and I opened my mouth. He leans in and I go, ow, 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 ow. And he says, what are you complaining about? I haven't started yet. I said, yeah, but you're standing on my foot. Is this microphone working? Okay. All right, that was the joke. Okay. Wow, tough crowd. All right, so we are going to be learning how to calculate molecular weight today. And when you calculate molecular weight, would you please write your answer with correct significant figures? So we're going to do that till the end of the semester now. We're just going to always put our answers with correct significant figures. Maybe you're having a little trouble getting used to that, but it's like anything. With practice, it gets easier and easier. The wonderful thing about education is we take difficult things and we make them easy. We take impossible things and we make them possible. That's the wonderful thing about education. So keep practicing. I guarantee if you keep practicing, it will get easy. If you forgot everything about significant figures, watch the Tyler DeWitt videos again. Watch my videos. I guess I'm the new Tyler DeWitt. Wow. That's exciting. All right, let's begin. All right, here's the opening. What is the molar mass of NaCl, which is sodium chloride? You might not know what molar mass is, but just pause the video and make an educated guess, and then I'll teach you how to do this. Please pause the video now. Okay, we're back. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride? Let's learn what molar mass is and how to calculate it today. But first, let's review the definition of a mole, since that will be important today. A mole is the number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12, not just any old carbon, but a specific isotope of carbon that weighs exactly 12. There are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. Isn't that odd? 12 grams of carbon-12? Why did they choose 12 grams? Why not 9 grams? Why not 13 grams? Why did they choose 12 grams? And why is that so essential to Avogadro's number? 12 grams of carbon-12. Well, if you divide 12 grams of carbon-12 by 12, you get 1. And it's a perfect 1. Now, hydrogen 1, which is a very specific isotope of hydrogen called protium, has a mass of 1. It is also a perfect 1. That means that 1 mole of hydrogen 1 has a mass of exactly 1 gram. In other words, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of hydrogen weighs exactly 1. And when hydrogen on the periodic table weighs exactly 1, that means helium 4 weighs exactly 4. And helium, with all its different isotopes averaged together, equals 4.003. Lithium, with all of its isotopes averaged together, is 6.941. I can just look at the periodic table, read the atomic mass, and know exactly how much 1 mole of that substance weighs in grams. So here's the opening. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride? Well, sodium chloride is made of 2 atoms, 1 sodium and 1 chlorine. So I go to my periodic table, I look to the left and find sodium. I look at my halogens to the right and I look for chlorine, and I see that sodium has a mass, an atomic mass of 22.990. That also means that 1 mole of sodium weighs 29.990 grams. I find chlorine, I see it has an atomic mass of 35.453, but now that number also means something else. It means 1 mole of chlorine weighs 35.453 grams. In other words, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of chlorine weighs exactly 35.453 grams. So here's the atomic mass of sodium and chlorine. There's just one of each, so I'm just going to keep them singular. I'm going to add those two numbers together, and I'm going to get 58.44. What does that mean? It means that sodium chloride has a molecular mass of 58.44 grams per mole. It means that 1 mole of sodium chloride weighs 58.44 grams. That's how you find molar mass. It's that simple. The end.